Hello everybody, we're doing a video for Renovation Outlet, and today we're going to be installing a front lock set on this door, which is already pre-drilled. So here we have a lock set, which is the lever at the bottom is separate from the lock, which is pretty standard, and everything is out already, and we're going to start installing and show you how everything is installed. So we'll start with you have a deadbolt and also a latch. So these will be the first two things that you're gonna put in. So the deadbolt goes on top and the latch goes on the bottom. So for these two, we're just gonna go ahead and put the 4 screws in right now. So once you put in the 4 screws, we're gonna put in the bottom lever set, and this is what most likely you're gonna have in a package. So lever on one side, and this is from the entrance side, and also there's gonna be 2 bolts that go in between the two to connect them to each other. So here we're using screws, which are used for the wood, and here we're using bolts. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this lever set in. And on the other side, we just have to put in the lever. And we're gonna go ahead and put in the 4 bolts, the 2 bolts right now. So once you installed the top lever, you're gonna check to make sure that everything works. Same with the other side, and everything works how it's supposed to. And now we're gonna put in this bolt on the bottom right here, so this lever doesn't come undue on the bottom. Once we completed the bottom part, now we're gonna install the lock, which goes on top of the lever set. And on one side you're gonna have the lock where you put your key in, and on the other side this is the inside part where you would open it from the inside. So we're just gonna take it and make sure that where the key goes in, it's at the bottom, and we're just gonna put it in through the deadbolt that we have here, just like that. And on the other side we're gonna put in the lock from the inside. And to complete the installation, we're gonna put 2 bolts through in order to hold everything together. So we just put in the 2 bolts for the lock, for the deadbolt, and you just gotta make sure that everything works. You gotta check the inside lock, and you also gotta check the keys that came with the package and if they work properly. And once you make sure that everything works properly, this side is complete. So now we're going to show you the second side. It's pretty much, it is the same thing, but on the other side the deadbolt is not there and the latch is not there, but everything else is the same way. So on the other side, the 2 things that you need to install are the 2 plates. So one is the striker plate for the latch, and on top it's the plate for the deadbolt. You just put them in with the 4 screws, and you end up with 2 holes. So you're basically gonna take the same exact package as we showed you earlier, but you're gonna put everything in, but the first 2 steps you're gonna skip. The first 2 steps that we showed you, that we put in a deadbolt and a latch, you just skip those and do everything the same way, and basically this side just becomes like a dummy side. Nothing, once you put the lever or turn the deadbolt, nothing will be happening. So again, this was a video for Renovation Outlet on how to install the lock set for the front door. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next time.